I'm Yvette Marks and I'm a technician in archaeological science at the University of Sheffield. I have dyslexia, which often means memorising and sitting exams was a struggle, so I decided to pursue something I loved, such as archaeology. I went on my first dig at age 19 and discovered a coin that nobody else had touched in 1,000 years, and I was hooked. I've worked as a museum educator teaching children about archaeology and found that those with dyslexia often find it really interesting because it's so hands-on. We do a lot of problem solving and collaborative work. We talk to councils, manage contractors and negotiate with different partners, so good communication is vital. We also do a lot of work in our local communities, and there are people who pursue archaeology after speaking to us, so it feels like we're really making a difference. Have a go, test things out, and don't be scared to change your plan.